नमस्कार. हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हैं आप सब? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एवरीवन फॉर द लवली रिस्पॉन्स. योर एवरी रिस्पॉन्स इज माय मोटिवेशन. थैंक यू so much. So friends, going ahead with the next verse by Sri Ramdas Swami, Manache Shlok, eminent poet, eminent philosopher of Maharashtra. All the verses which I like, and I'm presenting them in front of you the way I have understood. Most of these verses have helped me in the crucial time of my life or a decision making. It has always helped me to take every decision in a very moral and authentic way. So let us see the next verse. मना वासना दुष्ट कामा नये रे, मना सर्वथा पाप बुद्धि न कोरे, मना सर्वथा नीति सोडू नको हो, मनांतरी सार विचार राहो. What a lovely thought. Every day when you get up, you have to have this eternal dialogue with you. Mana vasana dushta kama nayare. Man, mind, vasana, desire. Vasana comes in both positive and negative. Anything you get attracted to, any desire which you come across. But most of the time in Sanskrit or Marathi language, the vasana word gives a little negative notification. It is vasana if the things are not yours and you do the desire for it. So mana vasana dushta kama nayere. Keep the evil desires away from you. They will be never ever useful in your life. We are going through the phase. Today, it was somebody's evil desire to develop this virus, and what are we facing today? The lockdown. It has become this evil desire. I don't know, they say it is done by some country for us. So it has put us in lockdown and the whole mankind is under the threat. Mana vasana dushta kama nayere. Mana sarvatha papa buddhi na kore. Mana sarvatha, oh my mind, sarvatha, forever, every time, papa buddhi na kore. I always, pap is sin, buddhi, your intellect. So you are an intelligent person, but your intelligence should never ever be used for sinful things. Mana sarvatha papa buddhi na kore. Never ever have an intellect which will motivate you to do some sin. Mana sarvatha niti sodu na kore. Niti, mana sarvatha niti sodu na kore. Never ever give up morals, ethics, principles of your life and a way of good living. Niti. Niti, if it is explained by Patanjali, they ask you, the Patanjali has guided you also by Yama and Niyama. So there are a lot of rules and regulations which will take you towards the healthy, wealthy and a prosperous life. So Niti, never ever leave mana sarvatha niti sodu na kore. Mana sarvatha niti sodu na kore, mana antari sara vichara raho. Always sara, extract of something. Hey mind, you have come up to this level. Every individual, right from birth till today, you go through various experiences in life. So every experience, when you are taking some decision, mana sarvatha sara vichara raho. Mana antari sara vichara raho. Within yourself, sara, take the extract of your excellent experiences through your mind and use those experiences to go ahead in life. So Samartha Ramdas Swami, when he says mana antari sara vichara raho, he says use your intellect for well-being of mankind, well-being of your own life, and when you make a decision, see that you think rationally and you think logically. We all have learned science, so it is very important that every time do your self-analysis and while going ahead, use your every experience You have learned science, use that science when you're taking a particular decision. Use it rationally, think logically, and then go ahead with every experience. It is very important in life to take a quality decision. So, mana vasana dushta kama nayere, mana sarvatha papa buddhi na kore, mana sarvatha niti sodu na kore, mana antari sara vichar raho. Always maintain these good thoughts in your mind. Manache shlok, a communication within for maintaining your self-esteem. Thank you very much.